Going to explain about the difference between resistance and resistivity, and this is a small video. Watch this video completely. Before going about the difference, what are the dictionary meaning of these two terms? What are the dictionary meaning of these two terms? Resistance dictionary meaning, you see, the resistance dictionary meaning is the refusal to accept or comply with something. Okay, refusal to accept and opposition to or refusal to accept. Now you see the definition of this. Resistance is physical property of a substance which oppose the flow of current. Resistance is a physical property of substance which oppose the flow of current. Resistance is a substance which oppose the flow of current. See this example. Less resistance, flow of current will be like this. Okay, if more resistance is there, then flow of current is reduced. Just for understanding, I am showing this. Now regarding resistivity, see the dictionary meaning. Resistivity, a measure of resisting power of specified material to the flow of an electric current. Again I am repeating, resistivity dictionary meaning, a measure of resisting power of specific material to the flow of electric current. Now see the definition of resistivity. Resistivity is the physical property of a substance which is having particular dimensions. Just remember this, particular dimensions, ml square, t power minus 3, a power minus 2. Just remember this, important in exam. Regarding proportionality, you see, R is proportional to L by A. That is, resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to area of the cross section. See here, resistance is directly proportional to the length and temperature, and it is inversely proportional to the cross section area of the material. You see this, R is proportional to L by A, directly proportional to the length, inversely proportional to A. Okay, we can introduce a proportionality constant rho here. R equals to rho L by A. Rho L by A. Based on this, problems will be given. Just remember this, R equals to rho L by A. R is resistance, rho is nothing but a resistivity of the material, length and area of the cross section of the material. And it depends on the rho L A, resistivity, length and area. As per the formula we can understand. It also depends on the temperature. As temperature increases, resistance also increases. R equals to, we know this, R equals to R naught into 1 plus alpha into delta T. Delta T is nothing but a T minus T naught. Regarding resistivity, resistivity is proportional to temperature of the particular material. Okay, it depends on the nature of the material and temperature. Important, it depends on the nature of the material and temperature. For this one also same formula, that is rho naught into 1 plus alpha into delta T. Regarding resistivity, just remember this, silver less than copper less than gold less than aluminum. This is the resistivity. Okay, resistivity of the silver is very less. That is why silver is the best conductor of electricity. R equals to rho L by A, and based on this we know the rho equal to RA by L. Just send this so that rho equal to RA by L. The SI unit of resistance is ohms and SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. The applications are heaters, fuses and sensors. Regarding resistivity, quality control test for calcareous soil. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.